Good, good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start a new topic. Be a good speaker. Okay. Be a good speaker. So, speaking skill is very important. One of the very important skill out of the four basic skills. LSRW. L means listening, S speaking, R reading, and W is writing. So these basic skills are very important. Okay. Now be a good speaker. Is that some speak easily with their friends or relatives. Okay. But someone are nervous in front of the big audience. So in which category you are there? Okay, you are a good speaker or you are little shy to go before audience. Now, see, speaking skill. If you listen good thing or we can say good conversation, so you are able to speak a good words. Okay. So first, that's why first skill is very important, listening. After that, you will speak good. So for what are the characteristics of a good speaker? So we will study this in the lesson. Be a good speaker. Some people are good speakers. Okay. Some people are good speakers. Some are shy. Okay, some are very shy. Some speak easily with their friends and relatives. Some speak easily with their relatives and friends, but becomes nervous in front of big audience. Some they were having the good speakings, but they are open up in friends and relatives only. But in front of the big audience, they became very nervous. What about you? In which category you are? There. It is important to be able to speak well. Yes. Good. It is important to be a good speaker. It is important to be able to speak well. And if you make up your mind, if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. Okay. If you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. Now, आपने माइंड को अगर रेडी किया, so it is not difficult to be a good speaker. So remember these few things when you speak. What are the things we will discuss one by one? Okay. Few things you have to remember. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. There is this clarity in your whatever in your speech or when you are in your conversation, whatever you are doing. To speak clearly. Don't mumble. Don't mumble. Okay. Look at the person or persons when you talk to them. Eye-to-eye contact is very important. So look at the person or persons when you talk to them. You should not be too loud or too soft. Maintain the pitch of your voice. You should not be too loud. बहुत जोर से भी नहीं बोलना, too loud and too soft. एकदम धीरे से भी नहीं बोलना. Okay. Too fast or too slow. Some people are, some students are there. एक बार कब स्पीच खत्म कर दूं, तब जाके फास्ट बोल देते हैं. Think about that you are like this. Okay, एक बार शुरू किया, they were not taking no pause, they were not taking no following any punctuation. There is no rise in voice, fall in voice. In a single tone, they were doing their speech. Okay, and once they start, they are very fast. And within few minutes, they finish their speech. Okay, so don't do like this. Because you have to maintain what we can say, the timing, the throw of the words. Okay, if any sad story or sad thing you are telling to someone, so your expression is also important when you are speaking. Okay, if you are happy, so it look, it should look on your face that you are happy and you are saying this happened to me, and okay, like this. Now be polite and be pleasant. You have to politely, you have to speak and pleasantly, and give a thought to other person's feelings and interest. You must give a thought to other person's feelings or interest. This point you have to follow in your speak whenever you are speaking to anyone. Okay, first is speak clear. Second is don't mumble. Third is look at the persons when you talk to them. Eye contact is very important. Fourthly, you should not be too loud, too soft, too fast, or too slow. Be polite and be pleasant. Okay. And give a thought to other person's feelings and interests. Give a thought to the other person's feelings and interests. Okay. Now, when you take part in any discussion, what you have to follow or what you have to do when you are take part in any discussion. Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. When you're taking take part in discussion, you are talking continuously. So don't talk all the time. Let others speak. दूसरों को भी चांस देना चाहिए. Okay, so let them speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. नहीं तो हम बोलते हैं तो कहते हैं, but show interest what the other people are saying in group discussion, what the other students are saying. Show interest in there that and what others say and listen it carefully. Listen the others' word, whatever the points they are telling you. So listen it carefully. When you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. When you like your friends' any opinion regarding to any subject, whatever the discussion is going on, so just tell them that you like this idea. Well done. Okay, like appreciate. When you agree with others or like their ideas, you have to tell them that. Now, do share your thoughts and ideas with others. You have to share your ideas and thoughts with the other group members when you are doing group discussion. Okay. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. If you not understand other or any point regarding to the topic or discussion. So you can ask, but politely. You can ask, but politely. Okay. Yes. Next point is, if you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Okay. Use polite words and expressions. What you have to use? You have to use polite words and expression. When you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation and you did. You have to use polite words and expression. When you want to interrupt someone, when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, interrupt means बीच में रुकाना और कुछ ना कुछ. Okay. Disagree, आप उसके व्यू से एग्री नहीं होना, यानी आपको वो नहीं को अच्छा लगा उसका व्यू. So you are disagree with the particular with someone, or when you seek explanation and give them. When you seek explanation and give them. Explanation. Now, these are the points you have to consider or you have to follow when you take part in a discussion. Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. When you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. Do share your thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Use polite words and expressions when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation and give them. Now, when you want to give a speech, you have to remember 3 points. Basically, 3 points. These are very important when you want to give a speech. What are these points? We will discuss. Okay. When you want to give a speech, plan your speech in advance. It is very important. Whenever you are going to speak, you have to plan your speech in advance. पहले ही plan करना है. Note the points and arrange them properly. Note down all the points and arrange them properly, sequence wise. Okay, properly. Rehearse the speech in your mind. Rehearsal करना है. Rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. Okay, then go ahead. Rehearse the following points. Just remember the following points and then go ahead for speech. Okay, these 3 points are very important. Again, I repeat, plan your speech in advance. Note the points and arrange them properly. Rehearse the speech in your mind and then go ahead. Okay. This is very important. So, be a good speaker. In this lesson, we have studied 3 points. That is, remember the few things when you speak. What are the points you have to remember where you are going to speak? Now, when you take part in discussion, remember the following points when you take part in a discussion that we have done. Now, third last is when you want to give a speech. The 3 points you have to consider. Planning of your speech, note down the points, rehearsal. So these are the very important points for a good listener. Politeness. Okay, important. Now expressions is also important. Okay. Planning. This is very important when you are going to give going to give a speech. Okay. Now, here in this way we have finished this lesson. Be a good speaker. Very small lessons there. Okay. What I'm writing here. Read the lesson. You have to read the lesson. Read the lesson. Be a good speaker. Okay. Be a good speaker. This is your homework. Okay, everybody. So here we have finished this lesson. In next period, we will do question and answers of this. Okay, bye. Do your homework. Bye.